Hello and welcome to the video. Now the last time we saw the CC-02 Unimog on my channel, I'd just finished building it and I'd taken it out for a test run. Now everything worked okay, but I wasn't really happy with the kit motor and ESC, which I feel is more suitable for a buggy than a trail truck or a crawler. So I decided to buy a new motor and ESC. So the motor I bought is a Surpass scale crawler 5-slot 16 turn 1850 kV brushed motor. Now I've got one of these in my Element RC Trail Runner Fire and I really like it. It's got a nice smooth delivery and the throttle response is great. And the ESC I've got is a Reedy SC480X 80 amp brushed crawler ESC, and these are stock in the Element RC Enduro ready to run trucks, which include the Sendero HD and the Trail Walker and the Night Runner. And I bought this ESC from somebody on an RC forum for £10. So to finish off, here's some photos of them installed and they fit very nicely. I have run it indoors for a few minutes and it felt much nicer than the motor and ESC that's included in the kit. Right, so now I'm going to take the Unimog into the back garden for a test run. Well, straight away I can notice the difference. Lovely slow speed, very smooth and controllable. And noticeably quieter than the old setup too. Yeah, that's so much better than the old setup. I'm really pleased with that. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.